Hi everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn about number representation, which is a fundamental concept in computer organization and architecture. In a computer system, the numbers are represented as a string of bits. Each bit can either be a 0 or a 1, and a group of bits together forms a binary number. We'll now look at the integer representation, which includes both the unsigned integers and the signed integers. The unsigned integers represent only positive numbers including 0. All the bits in the number are used to represent the magnitude. For example, in 3-bit, the integer 3 is represented in binary as 0, 1, 1, and the integer 5 in binary form is represented as 1, 0, 1. The signed integers can represent both the positive and the negative numbers. The leftmost bit of the binary number, that is the most significant bit, is indicated as a sign bit of the number. If the sign bit is 0, the number is positive number, and if the sign bit is 1, the number is said to be the negative number. The remaining bits of the number represent the magnitude of the number. For example, plus 3 in signed number representation is represented as 0011, where the most significant bit 0 indicates the sign bit of the number. And minus 5 in binary, that is in signed number representation, is written as 1101, where this most significant bit 1 represents the sign bit of the integer number minus 5. Since minus 5 is a negative number, the sign bit here is represented as 1. There are 3 common systems used to represent the positive and negative numbers in binary form. The first one is sign and magnitude representation. The second is the ones complement representation. And the third is the twos complement representation. In sign and magnitude representation, the leftmost bit is used for the sign representation. 0 for positive number and 1 for the negative number, and the remaining bits represent the magnitude. For example, plus 5 is represented as 0101. As it is a positive number, the sign bit, the most significant bit, sign bit is represented as 0. Minus 5 is represented as 1101. The magnitude is remaining the same and the sign bit alone is changed. This is the case with sign and magnitude representation. In ones complement representation, we simply invert all the bits of the positive number to get negative value. For example, plus 5 is represented as usual as 0101, as it is a positive number. So the sign bit of there is a most significant bit is represented as 0, and the magnitude for 5 is 101. And the minus 5 is represented by inverting all the bits in its positive form. So what is a positive form of minus 5? Plus 5. So for plus 5, the value is 0101. All the bits are inverted so that you will get the ones complement value of minus 5 as 1010. 0 is inverted as 1, 1 is inverted as 0, here 0 as 1, and 1 is inverted as 0. So the ones complement value for minus 5 is 1010. This is how the ones complement representation is done. The twos complement representation is the most commonly used system in the computers. To represent a negative number in the twos complement representation, we have to take the ones complement of the positive number and then we have to add a 1 to it. This is the way we need to find the twos complement of a number. For example, plus 5 is represented as 0101, and for this number we need to find the ones complement representation. That is 0101, all the bits, every bit in this number is inverted, means 0 as inverted as 1, 1 is inverted as 0, 0 is inverted as 1 here, and this 1 is inverted as 0 here. So this value is added up with 1. So 1010 plus 1, that is equal to 1011. So this is how we need to find the twos complement of the number. So to put it together, unsigned numbers can represent only the positive values, whereas signed numbers can be used to represent both the positive as well as the negative values by using the most significant bit as a sign bit. Among all the methods that we have mentioned here for the positive and the negative number representation, 2's complement system is the most efficient and as well as a widely used system in the modern computer systems.